Hi, thank you for joining our YouTube page for Moving to Success. We are an engine for social and economic upward mobility. Therefore, we do a lot of services for people of low income and moderate income. For further information about the services that we offer, please call 478-259-4427. Or you can see us on Facebook also, and our website, which is movingtosuccess.org. One of the services that we offer are community gardens. We were able to take seniors from a couple of our senior properties that we work with in Macon, Georgia. We took them to the Atlanta State Farmers Market. This 150-acre market is in Forest Park, Georgia. So on October 29th, we had a blast. We chartered a bus and off we went. As you see from the pictures, we have the folks over at Northside Senior Village gathering together. Then you see us over at Hunt School Village and the seniors getting on the bus, and woo, there we are. And that's me right there with the bus driver. He was cool. His name was Glenn. After a nice long ride, here we are at the market. Everyone got off and got a chance to explore all the variety. Oh my goodness, there was so much variety of fruits and vegetables. And you're going to get a chance to hear from Miss Margaret John, who is one of the facilitators for the classes that we have at these different properties.
Pineapple, it goes by the color and by the freshness of the stem. And once you buy a pineapple, you bring this off, you could replant this, and you have pineapple. Yeah. Another fruit, how you do it, you crack it open, and it has a white shell. Can I get this cracked open? I'm trying to do a demonstration. You have a knife to crack it open? You're doing a demonstration. Now, this is how it is. This is the fruit inside here.
Here's Miss Margaret describing a rambutan. This cute little prickly fruit is very delicious.
This is the fruit. It's very good. You can see them make it into drinks. Okay. You can eat it as a fruit, and inside of it is a nut. Okay. I don't know if the nut is edible because we haven't tried it. Okay. But it's very good. You want to try it? You want to try it?
Yeah, I want to try it. Oh my gosh. It's so good.
Good.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
This is called, it's a tomato. It's not a tomato like what you put in the salad. It's a tomato fruit. It's like a pear.
Oh, okay. I mean, y'all know it's okay, go ahead.
Mm-hmm.
Now, can I answer for real? This is the cactus. It's a vegetable. We stir fry it. It's very healthy. Let me show you something.
I didn't know you can eat this.
This is a fruit that comes with the cactus. What is the cactus fruit?
Okay.
Now, I've only seen cactus on cooking networks, but to see it here at the farmers market was really exciting. And to have Margaret, Miss Margaret, talk about it was even more exciting. The cactus fruit is all that she's describing in here is called the prickly pear.
Very, very sweet. Very, very good flavor.
They're good.
Very
You cook them together.
No, this is the eat as a fruit. This one you cook.
Okay.
This is very high in vitamin C. It's low sodium, low fat, zero fat anyhow. But very, very good for your heart. Yes. Feel it, cut it up, and you suck it in. Very simple.
After this fun day of shopping, here's my basket. I have some persimmon. Those are nice and juicy, real flavorful, very fruity. I have a pineapple, and that was very delicious. Nothing like fresh fruit. My corn on the cob, I'm glad it's already shucked. Don't have to worry about that. I have some beets. I'm gonna use those in juicing. And then also I picked up some of those famous Raboutins, a couple pounds of those. I am ready to enjoy my fruit and vegetables. Now here's Miss Margaret talking with some of the residents over at Northside Senior Village about the benefits of the garden and how much they're enjoying themselves with the garden club.
This is what you see. This is our natural product. This is Miss Hydras. She is the talker, yes, of the group, yes. And everybody agrees to that.
Yes.
So we're gonna interview her to see how her journey, how she's progressing on her journey with the garden club. So Miss Hydras, the trace yours.
Good morning, everyone. The Garden Club has been a great success for us. We as seniors need to take more care of our bodies and mainly what goes in versus what goes out. Although going out, the outer part is a big part as well. But we need to take really precaution and be more in tune to what we put inside our bodies. And thanks to Margaret, she has educated us so much on the things that we need to make ourselves healthy, to keep us away from the doctor's office, to keep us off of medication. She educated us so much on the different vegetables, the different fruits, the different teas that we absorb from her for the nourishment of our bodies. And if you look around the table, we all are seniors, but none of us look seniors.
Hello. This is a young group.
This is a great opportunity, a great, I don't want to say job because it's not a job. She have too much fun with us.
Yes,
but
a journey.
It's a great journey, a great study program, and I am so grateful that she's here to help us and guide us along the way. Yes.
Okay,
Good job.
I've learned so much since I've been coming to this class.
Yes, wonderful. And that's good. This is Zelma talking right now.
Yes.
So Gloria, would you have anything to say a little bit, sir?
It's just been the best experience. It really has been. We have gained so much knowledge. It's all for healthy knowledge. Okay, it's good for us. It's gonna make us live longer, healthier lives. Much love, Margaret.
And the most important part is the ambience, the cumbrance of us gathering here.
Yes.
We can talk. We can sit down in an element of peace and comfort.
Yes.
And knowing that we are coming to a oneness with the food that we eat, the conversation that we keep,
And the love.
friendship and the love. That's love.
Yes.
And so we
Moving to Success is excited. Thank you for watching, and we hope to keep on growing.